I'm going to pull the fire alarm at Mulrennan Middle School because this is a drill to keeping the students safe. And of course, freeform ready for the Santa Claus. And to start, when split screen credits for Elf shown on the bottom. Have you noticed this film has been modified from its original version? It has been formatted to fit this screen and edited to run in the time allotted and for content. Tomorrow night, ABC ready for the world television premiere of Olaf's Frozen Adventure, after taken away from showing Coco in theaters. This Friday, Star Wars: The Last Jedi, by Lucasfilm Limited, rated PG-13, still in theaters. And to start in AMC theaters, a brand new AMC theaters intro, and then coming soon appears turned to a green background, and form the 2013 MPA green accompany this feature bumper, then cut to black, and then trailers for Black Panther, A Wrinkle in Time, Incredibles 2, Pitch Perfect 3, Insidious, The Last Key, Pacific Rim Uprising, Jurassic World, Fallen Kingdom, and Maze Runner: The Death Cure. Then AMC theaters bumper safety rules, AMC stubs thank you thing. Then enjoy the show. Then the film start to the 2015 Lucasfilm Limited logo. Then start of the film with the words "say a long time ago" in a galaxy far, far away. And then the Star Wars intro to The Last Jedi. And the end, after the end credits, the 2015 Lucasfilm Limited logo. Then movie is over. No 2000 MPA rated PG-13 bumper. So, fire department, pull the fire alarm at Mulrennan Middle School. With pleasure. Yes, I pulled the fire alarm at Mulrennan Middle School. Yes. Yay. Yeah.